guys, welcome to another episode of Accra With It. I am on the streets again to bring you another episode of an exciting hustle. You always find them on the streets, but I'm here to tell you their story. But before I go and interact with my hustler of the day, Accra is hot, Accra is sunny. Use a sunscreen if you can, or use an umbrella. Very important. The tanning on your skin, you probably don't see it, but the sun tans your skin. So that is my regular tip on Accra With It. So today I'll be interacting with a welder. Yes, I'll be interacting with him. Let's go and let me find out what his story is. Hello, Bossu.
Yeah.
Pacho, do too. Why this job? It's not anybody that can do this job because the work that I see you doing is not easy. What's your name?
My name is Francis.
Francis.
Yeah,
Where are you from?
I'm from Volta.
Volta region. What part of the Volta region?
Blekusu.
Blekusu. So what sent you, moved you from Volta region all the way to Accra?
Right.
What brought you here?
Because of the work.
Because of the work. Why couldn't you have done this in the Volta region?
Over here I can't learn the work. Bro.
Oh, okay. So when did you leave Volta region to come here to learn the work?
Yeah, 2012.
2012.
Yeah.
Wow, that's a long time. 2012, 2023 now.
Yeah.
That's about 10 years.
Yeah.
So you started learning this in 2012.
Yeah.
Why this job?
Like this one be weather. But this one from my heart to I want to learn something. Because of it I can learn.
Did you go to school?
Yes.
Which school, or at what point did you stop schooling?
No, I stopped JSS2.
JSS2. Ade, what happened? Why didn't you continue?
Oh, because of money issue.
Hey, Ade, what's the situation at home? Or what's happening?
Because I don't get money. My mother died in 2008, 2009. So I don't get a person who will help me. Because of that thing I can't learn.
How about your father?
My father did life by, they care
Did he have enough money to take care of you?
No, I don't get it.
Do you have siblings?
Yeah.
Do you have sisters and brothers?
Yeah, I get brothers, 2 brothers. Maybe the senior brothers.
Oh, so you're the eldest amongst all of them?
Yeah.
Wow. So, before you came to Accra, were you working in the Volta region?
Yes, I'm doing like one sea job.
So you used to go to fish like a fisherman?
Yeah.
Okay, how was that? How was it like?
Oh, it's really like normal. Like if you don't know how to swim, you know go feel.
Okay, so you learned how to swim?
Yeah.
In the sea?
Yeah.
So you can swim? Who taught you how to swim? Who taught you how to swim?
That one there be, if you want to learn, you should be learning. You let somebody show you how to swim before you swim.
So somebody taught you how to because like that is so scary. Like people go there and drown, but you guys are able to swim. Yeah. At what age did you start swimming?
About like 12 years.
12 years? Yeah. Didn't you think it was risky?
Oh, it's risky.
But you were still doing it?
Yeah, but they like, they swim, they be learning, so if you enter there, they feed you by all means.
So how much were they paying you over there?
Oh, they like how the fish come before you will get the price we will give you.
So how much? When the fish come, how much have you gotten? Or do you
normally 50, 30, 20, 10 cities. Sometimes I will go get 1 city.
In a month or in a week or in a day? A day.
Yeah.
Why did you stop the fishing?
No, because of me, I go to school, I don't get money, so I don't want to do that job. So that's why I left work, I can't let work.
Okay. Yeah. So you left Accra. So when you were coming here, did you know anybody in Accra that you were coming to stay with?
No, I can't stay with my uncle.
Your uncle?
Yeah.
Okay. And then who introduced you to this welding business?
Even my uncle.
Your uncle?
Yeah.
Is he the one in charge of it?
Yeah.
Is he a welder?
Yeah, he's a welder.
He's a welder.
Yeah.
So he brought you in, so you're working under him?
Yeah. But he died a long time. He didn't show me the way, but he died last year.
Oh, unfortunately. Yeah. How did you grow up to become a master of your own?
Oh, I mean everything be step by step. Like you start, how you will know, your master will show you how you promote here. Like how you frustrate and so one by one before you know everything. You know go fit take one day know or small. How to write myself, I don't know the work or finish. Maybe now they learn.
You're still learning. Would you ever want to go back to school?
So by this time they are.
By this time, yeah. But you know there are schools that I think teach these technical things.
Yeah. Like that one that I see.
You can go. Now this job, it looks very risky because you're using your hand, and I suspect this is sharp.
Yeah. This may be granny stone.
Yes.
Yeah.
So do you hurt from this? Does it hurt you?
Yeah. You can cut your hand or.
Jesus.
Yeah.
Have like protective wears and things.
Yeah.
We should be wearing them. Why? Why aren't you wearing some?
No, we like here. No, they can't grind the tea. This one no be my real shop. I get my shop. This one they can't grind the tea.
So this one is not so technical. Okay. So for this job, do you have people who are working under you?
Yeah.
Like how many people?
2 people.
2?
Yeah.
Okay, so you're training them,
Yeah, 2, yeah.
like apprentice?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Are you able to make money from this business?
Sure.
Is money coming inside?
Hey, they can't small.
Tell me. So you don't tell me the real money, but maybe give me an estimate. Say, maybe in a week, averagely I make like 10 CDs, 5 CDs, 20 CDs. Tell me.
Oh, sometimes every week we will get 1 CD, but because of how the work did, if you work no come, no will get money. But if the work come, they can get like 5 million, 6 million.
6 million, that's 500 CDs.
500 CDs.
A month or a week?
No, a week. A day you can get that money.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's just your profits.
Yeah.
How much did it cost you to start the business? Because I'm sure you have to buy equipment and things. How much did you use to buy all these things?
The machine where I use.
How much did you put inside the business?
Like 25 million, like 25 million.
So 2,500 CDs. That's what you invested in your business.
Yeah.
Have you been able to make all of those money?
Oh, long time. I started working more than 5 years now. So
you've been able to.
Make I show you.
Okay.
Yeah, hold on.
God of mercy.
Make I help you.
Guys, this is a huge risk.
Hold it here.
Okay.
Yeah.
Here, like this.
By here we will place, they will go up. If you want, hold on. Leave here.
Guys, I'm sorry. I tried, but this looks so risky. Like, I feel like it can chop off my whole hand. Jeez. Touch on me, that's why. So, in the next few years, where do you see yourself? What do you see yourself doing in the next few years?
Yes, so I feel myself like I want to go outside.
You want to go outside? Why? What is there?
No, I want to go, like the work they do, so go for it. So I remain myself to make I go outside, go do work.
And then do this welding job.
Yeah.
Wow. At the end of the day, what do you want? How do you want your life to be like?
Like this one there, if I get money, but I go marry. So see, I define money.
So right now you never marry?
No.
You define money?
Yeah, I define money. So.
But you have a girlfriend?
Yeah, I get a girlfriend.
You get a girlfriend?
Yeah.
How is it going? How is the relationship going?
Oh, normal.
Normal. It's going well.
Yeah, normal.
So when are you going to marry her?
I get money.
You get money. Yeah. So right now,
Yeah.
what do you do that makes you happy?
Me, I like dancing.
You like dance? So you can dance?
Nobody's saying that.
You can dance?
No.
So you can dance?
Yes.
Okay, then let's go. Now you're on the floor. It was nice talking to you. Nice to meet you. But you have to try and use protective wear to protect yourself at least.
Yes, okay.
Yeah, because this one there is really risky. But for somebody watching out there, do you have a contact you can share if somebody wants to use your service, somebody wants to weld a car or do something? You can tell them your contact number.
0553 592614.
Please mention it again.
0553 592614.
Okay guys, that's it for Accra With Day. I've enjoyed my interaction with him, going through his journey from the Volta region as a fisherman and now in Accra, a welder. He's now a master and he has 2 apprentices and he's making some cool cash from it. Hopefully he makes the money and goes internationally, and his ambitions and all of his goals are fulfilled. I hope that you're inspired by their story on the streets. They're hustling for a reason. Be kind to them, be nice to them. I am Chichi MFI, and I hope you enjoyed this episode.